of this camera kit. Anyone interested? Should I offer it free to the community or sell it on TAOBAO? Last time I printed that lens adapter ring, people just took my model and listed it on Taobao, Pinduoduo. If I put this up for free again and someone sells the model, that would be so lame. Give me some ideas. What do you guys think? Check this out. My 3D printed kit for the OPPO Find 9 Ultra. The phone and teleconverter fit right into its shell. Click on the Hasselblad logo. Looks pretty legit. I have already covered this in the main video, but let me walk you through the printing process in more detail. So this is the version I printed earlier. As you can see, the whole shell does not have the orange logo yet. So yesterday, I printed a new version with an orange logo. Does not this look even more like a Hasselblad? Then I realized that if I tweak the print angle, it could be more perfect, because before I always printed it flat, straight down from the back, like this. Look, this new version I just printed should be even better. It is the main camera case body. Then this opening shot. See if it broke. Good, it did not break. Alright, let us remove these supports and check the result. Not perfect, actually worse than before, but definitely saves more material this way. I also added a small slope here, this slope right here, in this exact location. So when you push it in, it is like pressing this button right down. So once pushed in, this spot is higher than the middle groove, pressing the button all the way down. So as the phone slides in, it gets a bit tight here. I gotta give it a good push, and boom. That button goes all the way down. This way, the phone's locked in and held tight. From the front of the camera kit, you will see the interior aligns perfectly with the hole I have cut. This took extensive calibration. Then we just drop the lens straight in from the front, and it lines up perfectly with the clip. Give it a twist and voil. It locks in nice and tight. So now that the phone's in, you'll see how the sides are all hollowed out. So I printed out a small side panel. Alright, but we are not done yet. Having the lens exposed does not look good, right? So a front cover plate was printed. Alright, see, once it is tightened, the front lines up perfectly with the lens opening. And just like that, done. And this button here, I will print it in orange. Just press it up, and it will work just like this. So, besides this camera kit, I also printed out. This OPPO teleconverter clip, you can mount it right onto the port on the back of the phone. Then you can mount the lens backward, and with it backward, you can get some great macro shots. I originally planned to upload the 3D print files to the Bamboo Lab community after this video. That way everyone can download and print it. But last time I printed that lens adapter ring and those clamps for reversing the lens. Well, guess what happened? A lot of people took my model and listed it on Taobao, listed on Pinduoduo and sold right away. Printing one of these costs next to nothing, maybe a dime or less. I poured my heart and soul into this kit, spending days, even over 10 days, tweaking every single detail. Look, I printed so many versions. See all these costs aside for calculating phone size. Then for calculating the lens aperture position. And this one is for that too. If I put this up for free in the community again, and someone just turns around and sells the model, it feels pointless. So I am really torn right now. First off, what do you guys think of this camera kit? Be honest. Does not. It looks super convincing. Anyone really into this stuff? So if a lot of people love it, what should I do then? Should I upload it free to the community for printing or open a Taobao shop to sell it? I barely have the time, right? So what do you guys think? Give me some ideas. We will